TM flow settings. This video will help you to set up your TM flow before to run any measurement. The settings comprise the Bluetooth assignment for the oximeter and the blood pressure devices, setting by default and options, testing of all hardware and cloud activation, ABI blood pressure device Bluetooth assignments. Make sure only one blood pressure device is turned on. Assign one at a time. Start with the black cover device labeled ARM. Click once on the white button. The device screen should display 10, and then click on the software the tab Assign corresponding to the left arm. Wait for the testing connection message, and then click on the tab Add a device and then Allow. When the device switches off, click on Close and come back on the software settings. The software displays that the device is assigned associated with the serial number. Then, assign the gray cover device labeled right arm with the same procedure. Click on the device white button, then on the Assign tab on the software. When connected, click Add a device tab, then click on the Allow tab. Wait for the device to switch off and close the window. Now, assign the gold cover labeled left ankle with the same procedure. Click on the device white button, then on the Assign tab on the software. When connected, click Add a device tab, then click on the Allow tab. Wait for the device to switch off and close the window. Then, assign the green cover labeled right ankle with the same procedure. Click on the device white button, then on the Assign tab on the software. When connected, click Add a device tab, then click on the Allow tab. Wait for the device to switch off and close the window. Finally, assign the arm large cuff with the same procedure. Click once on the blue button. The device screen should display 2 zeros, and then click on the software the tab Assign corresponding to the arm large cuff. When connected, click on the Allow tab. Wait for the device to switch off and close the window. When all the devices are assigned, you can test them by clicking on the tab Start Test in the section ABI Bluetooth Assignment. Oximeter Bluetooth Assignment. Click on the Assign tab and a window opens. Click on Launch Bluetooth. Add Bluetooth or other device. Select PC60NW. Click on Connect and then close the window. Close the window with the instructions and wait for the connection. When connected, the oximeter wave will be displayed on the software. Click on Save, Exit tab, and then come back to Setting. In the Report setting, complete the physician info. Click on Auto Signature tab. Select the status report and the items will be displayed on the report by default. If your cloud is not activated, click on the tab The cloud is not activated. A window opens. Insert your email and password and then sign in. Click OK on the Windows, and then click on Save Exit tab and come back in the settings. Your cloud is activated. You have the option to select a logo in the report. Browse your logo, click OK, and then select Enable to display it on the report. If you have your own server, you have the option to send all the reports in a dedicated folder. Click on Use Your Own Network, then Network Credential and insert your server details. Then click OK. Click on the Save/Exit tab. Now, you are ready to run a TM flow measurement. Thank you for your time.